Security Operations Fundamentals. Lesson 2. The Cyber Kill Chain and AI Prevention. Understanding the Cyber Kill Chain. The Cyber Kill Chain maps the typical progression of cyber attack across 7 distinct stages. Each stage represents an action the attacker must complete before moving to the next, and each stage represents an opportunity for the defender to intervene. The 7 stages of the Cyber Kill Chain are as follows: Reconnaissance, Weaponization, Delivery, Exploitation, Installation, Command and Control, and Actions on Objectives. An attacker must successfully complete every stage of the kill chain to achieve their objective. A defender only needs to disrupt one stage to stop the attack. The earlier the disruption, the less damage occurs. The 7 stages of the Cyber Kill Chain. The following sections walk through each stage in detail: what the attacker is doing, why it matters, and how AI-powered defenses can intervene. Stage 1. Reconnaissance. Attacker action. The attacker quietly gathers intelligence on the target, such as employee details, exposed software, and open network ports, using web research and automated scanning tools. AI defense. AI-powered tools monitor the dark web for emerging threats, continuously discover exposed assets, and analyze interactions with decoy honeypots to detect gathering campaigns early. Stage 2. Weaponization. Attacker action. The attacker creates tools like malicious email attachments, infected links, or Trojanized software. AI defense. AI ingests global threat intelligence feeds to automatically update local defenses, while automated sandboxes execute suspicious files in isolated environments to catch brand-new malware signatures. Stage 3. Delivery. Attacker action. The attacker transmits the malicious payload using methods such as phishing emails, compromised websites, malicious USB drives, or supply chain compromises. AI defense. Machine learning analyzes email contexts, sender reputations, and links in real time to quarantine threats, while behavioral analytics identifies sudden spikes in file access or downloads. Stage 4. Exploitation. Attacker action. Once delivered, the malicious code executes by triggering a software vulnerability, abusing a system misconfiguration, or tricking a user into taking an action. AI defense. AI-powered endpoint detection and response agents terminate suspicious system processes in real time, while automated vulnerability scanners prioritize and deploy critical patches before exploitation occurs. Stage 5. Installation. Attacker action. The attacker establishes persistent, long-term access by installing backdoors, rootkits, scheduled tasks, or by leveraging trusted, built-in system tools. AI defense. AI monitors overall system behavior to catch trusted tools performing suspicious actions and continuously audits core system files to flag unauthorized configuration changes. Stage 6. Command and Control. Attacker action. The compromised system calls back to an attacker-controlled server to establish an encrypted, hidden communication channel for receiving commands and exfiltrating data. AI defense. Network and DNS analytics detect subtle traffic anomalies, like periodic beaconing patterns or generated domain queries, allowing automated playbooks to instantly isolate the endpoint and block the server. Stage 7. Actions on Objectives. Attacker action. The attacker executes their end goal, which may involve stealing sensitive data, deploying ransomware, sabotaging infrastructure, or defacing systems. AI defense. AI tracks sensitive data movements to block exfiltration, detects rapid file encryption behaviors to halt ransomware mid-process, and flags unusual user access activity outside regular working patterns. Breaking the chain with AI. Stopping a cyber attack is all about speed and timing. The further an attacker progresses down the cyber kill chain, the harder and more expensive it is to stop them. AI transforms security operations by helping defenders intervene before damage occurs. Prevention. Prevention halts the attack during the delivery and exploitation stages, before an adversary gains a foothold. In the delivery stage, for example with phishing, machine learning analyzes email context and link reputation to block malicious attachments and URLs before user interaction. In the exploitation stage, For example, against a zero-day vulnerability, AI models inspect payload behaviors in real time to block exploit attempts on vulnerable systems. Response. Response severs active threats during the installation, command and control, and actions on objective stages. During installation, EDR AI detects unauthorized process creation or registry modifications and instantly isolates the host. During command and control, AI flags anomalous outbound beaconing and automatically severs external channels. During actions on objectives, behavioral AI detects unexpected data, staging, or privilege escalation, automatically revoking user credentials. Thank you for listening to this lesson. Like and follow us for more content.